Thank you for taking a minute to view this tour provided by Jorge Najera, from Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Elevate. Remodeled multi-occupancy home located in the quiet and private community of Oasis Ranch. Freshly fully repainted interior, refurbished kitchen cabinets, all new granite countertops, backsplash and complete new roof. The unit is 2-bedroom but has the potential for 3 bedrooms. This property is the perfect place for a first-time home buyer, downsizing or single person looking for a comfortable and spacious place. It will provide amazing value which beats paying any amount of rent.